Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my sunglasses store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we'll then go through the sunglasses store Word document portion of my business plan template. And then once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and I'll introduce y'all to the link if you're interested in buying it. And from there, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as the owner of Quality Business Plan, as well as Quality Business Consultant. And I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer, as well as a strategic planner. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan or creating your own strategic plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you. I'm also an author of several books on Amazon.com, so check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good, your strategic plan is better, but those financial projections just aren't going anywhere, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to do it for you. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show. And the star of the show is my sunglasses business plan template, specifically the Word document. So if you do buy the sunglasses business plan template, it does come with a Word document, which is this right here, and the tutorials could be focused on this. But it also comes with a financial model, say hello financial model. And that financial model I do go through in this separate tutorial, usually 15, 20, 30 minutes later with the template in my tutorial, your financial projections are good. All right, so when you open up the Word document, you will be introduced to this title page. On the title page, usually my clients are going to go ahead and put their logo right here and then business plan underneath. The next page is going to be the table of contents. After you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you fill out this template, and once you're done with that, you click on the table of contents, you click up Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click OK, and all the headers and all the page numbers will update for you. Next section is going to be the executive summary section, which includes the business summary, target market, financial highlights, and the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? For the financial highlights, in order to complete this section, we've got 3 numbers right here, and those 3 numbers are found on the financial projections. So once you fill out all of your information on the financial projections, then what will happen is you'll go to the projections tab, and under year 1, you're interested in these 3 numbers. So what you'll do is you'll move this right here, and you'll see that annual revenues year 1 matches up 522,522. And then expenses 372 lines up with 372 here. And then you'll see net profits 116 lines up with 116 here. The next section is your company description section. Anywhere you see yellow, I do recommend you go ahead and review or put some information in there. And this section comes with the store summary, popular products, competitive advantage, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and then the objectives and timeline. So the business plan describes your business of what you do and how you do it. And the strategic plan, what that does is it gives you the roadmap to success. And it sets objectives of what you're going to accomplish in the next 3 months, 6 months, 3 years, 5 years. So for this right here, I do put a little snippet of a strategic plan in your business plan template for you. Next is industry analysis. Did a little bit of research on the IBIS world as well as other sources. So I've got your industry research all locked down for you. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis section, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's pretty generic, so once you get it, you might want to update it. And to do that, you'll just go ahead and click on your the Smart Art. You get that little tiny arrow right here to the left. You click on that, and these sections right here, you can go ahead and delete the text and then add more text to it. Next section is going to be the organizational structure. We got your ownership information right here and your organizational chart. Just again, same thing. Click on Smart Art, little arrow, you're good to go. Marketing section, typically sunglasses retail stores are going to have marketing in 3 channels, which is going to be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. I give you a head start with all 3 of them. And we got our funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? Just put a placeholder number, $150,000. Here's the term, 8 to 12 years, interest rate 48%. And just go ahead and update that information with whatever dollar amount funding you need, terms you expect, and interest rates you hope for. Next section is going to be your financial projections. For the financial projections, in this template, it does come with 12-month financial projections. And for the financial projections for the 12 months, it goes month 3 to month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then month 4 through 6, quarter 2. 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we get 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then we've got our next 5-year annually pro forma projections for your income statement. So once you do update your financial projection model, what you'll do in order to get your new income statement on there, you'll go ahead and copy. So you'll fill out the financial model, follow the tutorial. You'll copy the income statement. Then you'll go over to the Word document. You'll highlight the old income statement, hit backspace so it's gone, and then hit Control V. And now you have your updated pro forma income statement all ready to go. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, if you're interested in buying my Sunglasses Store business plan template, keep in mind it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a financial model that is customized for your industry. And keep in mind, there are some limitations to my business plan template. It's not end all be all of everything. So one limitation to the template, it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. And I mean like Apple Pages. If you got a Mac and you've got Microsoft Office on your Mac, you should be good to go with that. But if you try to use Pages, you might run into some issues. Also, if you have questions about the Sunglasses Store business plan template and you want to talk to me about it before you buy it, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a discussion. I'll tell you all the wonderful things about it. However, after you buy the Sunglasses Store template and you want me to fill it out for you, I do charge. So just keep that in mind. There is no free phone support after you make your purchase. But fortunately, you do have several tutorials. So if you're interested in some tutorials, and I do have a lot of tutorials on my website, and they're free, and it tells you how to fill out the template, what information to put in there, some thoughts and ideas about each one of the sections. Feel free to peruse my tutorials at this link right here. If you do want to buy the Sunglasses Store business plan template, just go to this link right here. You'll be able to buy it, and it's downloadable. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials and financial models and all those other things, you just want that darn business plan done, then check out my custom business plan prices page right here. I do offer various levels of business plans from affordable to premium priced. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.